Hello, welcome back to the Eric Michael Show. On my show, you can expect to find positive doses of weekly refreshment. As I am Catholic, I'm bipolar, I love people, I love life, I'm a little goofy. I majored in psychology with a minor in philosophy, and I've studied a little bit of theology, looking at the different major religions. And I am Catholic because that is the church that Jesus started with Simon Peter. So instead of choosing right and wrong for myself, I'm listening to the source. This Tuesday, I'm going back to school to get my master's in mental health counseling. That way I can give back in a major way to the mental health community, and I can see patients one-on-one and hopefully greatly impact some people's lives. So here on my channel, my aim is to help you and make your life better, and I can do that in a couple of ways. Being bipolar myself and having many years of experience fighting depression and battling that stinking thinking, as Zig Ziglar would say, I offer psychological advice and tips on how to live a mentally healthy life. I have also been running my own business for a couple of years, and I've tried a lot of different things, and I've learned tons and tons the last 5 or 6 years studying marketing and small business and sales and all that. So I will condense my knowledge into 5, 10-minute, and 15-minute videos for your viewing pleasure. That way you can learn for free. Plus, my business is to save you money. I save people money on their monthly bills for things they use every day, like cell phone, internet, electricity. You're paying for these things anyway. You're probably paying too much. My company can lower your bills. Doesn't cost anything up front to you. We split the difference. If you want to know more, just ask me or message me or check the link below. Other than that, I do provide many other ways to save money because, again, I just want to help put a smile on your face. And everybody likes a little bit of extra moolah in their pocket. I have different characters on my show that will help out, like this one here. My name is Financial E, and I know all about money. Let's talk money. He will tell you all the ins and outs you need to know about running an online business and sales and marketing, etc. All right, guys, my name's Eric, E-R-I-C, encouraging rebirth in Christ. So if you're not Christian already, give your life to Christ. If you are, become closer to God. Always strive for knowledge. Never stop learning. Try to be positive and live a good life. I'll see you next week. Oh, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about me. It'll really help me. Helps me more than you know. I'm trying to grow. I want to do this full time, so help me out. What's this, squirrels? And I have all the money. Let's talk money. Let's talk money.